Standard Chartered is launching digital asset products for institutional clients. Today, the British banking giant announced that it's launching a digital asset trading service that allows spot trading of Bitcoin and Ether for institutions. The new product offering comes after Standard Chartered launched a digital asset custody service through the United Arab Emirates last year. Next, crypto asset manager Grayscale wants to list on a U.S. stock exchange. The company announced yesterday that it confidentially submitted an S-1 with the SEC. Grayscale said that the number of shares and the price range have not yet been determined, but the registration will take place after the regulator reviews the proposal. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust helped usher in a wave of Bitcoin ETFs that launched on U.S. markets in January of 2024. GBTC now sits at $22 billion in assets under management, and Grayscale's gone on to launch other spot crypto products like the Ethereum Trust. Finally, as the House of Representatives debates 3 digital asset bills as part of the lower chamber's self-proclaimed Crypto Week, White House AI and crypto czar David Sacks came on CNBC this morning to discuss the rise of stablecoins in the mainstream. Sacks said more companies could be encouraged to use blockchain technology if the Genius Act passes.
I think that by explicitly authorizing the issuance and adoption of stablecoins, we're going to see an expansion in their use, and a lot of companies that didn't feel comfortable adopting them, like the banking system, like Visa, like MasterCard, are now going to feel much more comfortable because they know that they have a legal framework that has been officially approved and signed into law.
It's a huge week for digital assets in DC as Crypto Week kicked off yesterday. 3 major crypto-related bills are on the table: the Clarity Act, the Genius Act stablecoin regulation bill, and the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act. What are you hoping is accomplished in DC this week, and are you confident we'll see some of these bills move closer to becoming law here in the U.S.?
Well, we're hoping to see progress continue on major legislation that for the first time will bring clarity to crypto and clarity to the law governing crypto for millions of Americans who clearly have made their voices heard and expressed their wishes in ways that we think Congress is responding to. I am confident that we're going to see progress in the House this week on each of the 3 bills that you mentioned. The Genius Act, the act that is focused on stablecoins, has already passed the Senate. And so with the House lending its support, we think this will be ready for signature by the president in short order. But it's also critically important that we make progress on the Clarity Market Structure Bill. That is the bill that would finally provide a market framework for these digital assets and clarify what regulators have what authority over these assets at what time.